poem, and the poem then the text talks about trying harder to fall asleep, yet the poem ends by showing sleep happens when you stop trying so hard to get it. So this is the theme of the poem. Sometimes the best way to get what you want is to stop trying so hard.
Okay, that's good one. Okay, let's read it some. Okay.
Read the
Joe's
chicken.
Delaware is a city. The chicken, no, it's a state. Maybe it's a name of the chicken. Delaware.
Joe opened the big cookbook.
Okay.
And look for chicken
Delaware.
I
didn't know what is chicken Delaware is. Something.
Avoid
this chicken is chicken Delaware. Yeah, that's a Delaware state. Chicken Delaware. Okay. It's a recipe called chicken Delaware.
He gave the recipe to one quick look, then review through the book into the air.
Okay, what does that mean?
The bold text requires the inference or I guess about missing details based on the text, which sentence is most likely to be true.
Okay.
Joe cannot find the recipe he wants to make. Joe doesn't want to cook the way the recipe says. Joe would rather throw the books than cook.
Okay, do you know which one? Okay, good. Okay, let's try it.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Okay.
Summit.
Okay. Let's read it. Okay. And read it. Keep reading.
The book said that he must add a
pinch. Okay. Pinch means a little. Yeah, that much. Do you see? That much. A pinch. So it's not you are not use something to measure it. Just use the finger pinch some like that. Some pepper. Pinch of pepper. pinch of pepper. You see, use a finger to get some. It's a pinch. Okay, so what's
Sparkle.
no?
Spark.
What's the EA?
Speaker.
Good.
Speaker.
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 Speaker. Someone who is speaking.
Okay.
Pinch.
Punch.
Pinch.
Punch.
Pinch. Pinch.
Pinch.
Okay. It's like this. No.
Go.
It's a pinch. Squeeze 2 finger. That's pinch. Okay, here is a noun. Let's try to squeeze between 2 fingers. Okay.
Squeeze someone's skin between your thumb and finger.
Okay, that's a verb. We'll try to find a noun. Okay. Where is it? Okay, here.
The amount of something that can be
Held.
between your finger and thumb.
Okay.
Adding a pinch of salt up to the soup.
Okay, a pinch of salt. Okay, use a finger to get some salt and put it in the. Okay, that's a pinch of salt. Okay. Okay, can spell it.
P-I-N-C-H, pinch.
Okay. So the book said he must add a
Pinch of pepper to give it some
zing. Okay, he doesn't know how much is that, right? What the hell is this? What's that?
pinch.
Good.
Pinch.
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 Zing.
Sing.
Zing.
Sing.
Zing.
Seeing a sharp. What the hell is that? Flavor. It's a flavor.
Piquant.
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 Pleasure. Sharp. Spicy taste. Okay. Spicy taste. Piquant. Okay. It's a barbecue sauce with a zing. With a little spicy. Okay. Sharply piquant, spicy flavor. Okay, some spicy flavor. Okay.
Zing.
Sing.
Zing.
Sing.
Zing. Zing.
It's a spicy flavor. You just needed to know that. Okay. Barbecue.
Sauce with sing.
Okay.
Zing.
Sing.
Zing.
Sing.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Spice. Okay. Okay. You just know it's a spicy flavor. That's called a zing. I didn't even know it.
Zing. Zing. Zing.
Sing.
Can spell it?
C-I-N-G. Sing.
Okay. Okay. The book said that he must add a pinch of pepper to give it some.
Zing, but Joe dumped at
In.
he at least
Okay, Joe dumped in at least a
inch of pepper over the whole thing.
okay, the pinch, but he dumped an inch of pepper, a lot of pepper. Okay.
The
The steamy
pan.
Okay, steaming pan. Okay, he's making steamy pan. Yeah, I guess the steamy pan. He's making the chicken. Okay, he put too much pepper to it. The steamy
Pan was a fire
side.
that filled Joe with a great
Design. Okay, that's what the pan make him this now. What's that?
Sing,
Okay,
Zing.
sing,
Zing.
sing,
Zing.
sing.
okay, a sharply spicy flavor.
What?
Okay, what is that? Design.
Desire.
Design,
Desire.
design,
Desire.
design,
Desire.
Okay, desire.
Ah!
No.
Desire.
Design.
Okay, we don't.
No. The feeling of
Wanting.
something. The feeling of wanting something. A
Strong
strong
wish. Okay, you have very strong wish. Okay, you really want something. That's desire. Okay. What's a hunger?
hunger,
Passion.
passion,
Think that's desire. The feeling of wanting something, that's called desire.
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 Desire. Desire.
Okay, Kasper.
He has a desire.
Okay, what's that?
Yeah,
Okay,
it is
wanting.
wanting something. The feeling of wanting something.
Okay, so the pan, the steam pan, okay, looks so nice. So John really want to taste the chicken, okay? No.
That he dipped his spoon and took a bite. It this his mouth and lips were set on fire.
Okay, fine. Why he put too much pepper into it, so it's too spicy. Okay, so his mouth and lips were set on fire. Okay. Okay, let's read it.
The bold text show hyperbole which uses
Extreme.
extreme or
Unrealistic.
unrealistic language to describe something. What is the purpose of this text?
Okay, here, okay.
It shows Joe used too much spice on his chicken. It like highlights how excited Joe was to eat the radish he made. It suggests the oven is very hot.
Okay, so which one?
This
Okay,
one.
yeah,
Summit.
okay, okay, good, that's it. Stop here.